So I spent a lot of time tweaking and making this thing looking good. So I did the buttons aside. Now there's a speaker and a front camera that we can actually make right here. Let's select this, invert selection, Control I, hide everything, select just this, push tab on your keyboard. First let's go to the front view. Seems like this thing is hidden. Okay, so we need to make cuts here. Make a cut right here and then select these 2 points, get the stretch tool and then just stretch them out. And now if I'm on face mode, I can select 4 faces, delete faces, and now let's create some loop cuts. Extender, and let's go into the y-axis. Select this edge on top, push E, G to move, and let's move down. So select a point here and select another point, alternate M on the keyboard, and we'll go to the last. So it's simply asking you which point will it go to, so the one you select at the last. You know, I can actually just make a loop cut right here, Control R, just make a loop cut and just bring it back this far end and just leave it there. So let's see, that's a bit too deep, so we can actually select these faces here, hold down the Control and plus sign on the keyboard and then just drag it in front. Okay, and that looks okay. So to avoid these here, these things that are forming up here, let's go into edit mode. You need to create one more edge at the end here, and let's create another one. See, now it looks good. Save, and let's go back to the front. Now to make that camera, bring back our reference image. So if we go into edit mode, we'll need to make cuts here. You can go into point mode and then just drag these. We can actually leave that mode, so select these faces, duplicate, okay, escape. Now we'll hide those, select these two, delete face. So we have a circle of some sort here, just double click to get the whole edge, make sure in edge mode, E and then Y. So this is the Y axis, select Y, A again, then Y, so just drag it in. And now we're saving, just unhide, alternate edge, let's just move it in front, and let's go into edge mode, select the whole edge, E for extender, and then we're moving in the Y, and then select these 2 front faces, this and that, push I to insert. So let's insert this. So we have this layer here. Now we can just aim at making it look a bit more roundish than it looks right now. I think I need a cut right in the middle. That is super close. So another thing is, let's just select these faces of this one on the middle, hold down Control and the plus sign. So this is just to select all of them. Then I want to reduce the size of this. I think it was going a bit off. If I select this, okay, let's just hide this, or just move this in and also this in. Probably my camera looks wobble. Alright, so let's unhide everything now. I'm seeing lines here that I do not like, do not want. That looks amazing. Save. And now we'll need to add a hose at the bottom here. Then we'll deal with the camera.